Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Info Tech. Today I tell us about how to get more titles from your YouTube videos for viral tags and titles. So let's start my video. So you see here different titles I searched from Chat GPT for. So you easily search any topic, best viral titles for your YouTube videos. So let's go and start. So first you go into here and just type here messy like act has a YouTube title generator, make a title on topic. You write here topic with this comma, so just type his and just select it. So you see here different titles generated according to this topic, relevant this topic. So you see here this is viral titles you should be using your video for YouTube videos easily. So do not forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel, such more informative tech relevant videos.